Hey, what's up my good people? Jeff Carbuoy here. Today I'm bringing you the 2026 and this is Toyota Tacoma, and this one is the iForce Max, the hybrid version TRD, guys. And this vehicle comes with 3 different fuse box location, and I'm gonna show you all the fuse box location on this brand new 2026 Toyota TRD iForce Max Tacoma, and name it all. Anyway, let's get started. So this one comes with 2 fuse box location. There is no fuse box inside the driver's side, but we're gonna come here to pop the engine. This area, normally most of the vehicle, this area here, it has a fuse box location, but this one doesn't have. So, but it still have a fuse box inside the cabs, which I'll show you here shortly. So inside the engine compartment, there is this fuse box that is going to be right up on the driver's side, and you pop these tabs right here. So pop this cover, and you find the first fuse box, fuse sets right there. Got a couple of fuses and a lot of relays. And then on the back of the cover, you find the fuse diagram, or the fuse information upside down right there. Okay, now to put the cover back in place, just line it up like that, push it, and it's going to lock in place just like that. And then from there, we're gonna come in the center is the engine, and then on this passenger side, just behind the intake, you'll find this other cover, and on top is a fuse and relay. We're gonna pop up this one as well, plus these tabs here, tab here. Okay, and inside here you find another set of fuses and the relays. So these are the relays, all these, and then you find these fuses like here, all these. And then on the back of the cover, you'll find some spare fuses right there. And then let's find these. Yep, on the back of the cover, you find the fuse diagram and the fuse amperage, the functions, all the good stuff right there. Okay. And then one thing you need to also note here, on the corner of the box you find this white thing right here. This is a fuse remover tool, and this is going to help you get the fuse. For example, let's assume you want to remove this fuse right here. You just clamp it like there and lift it up. Hold on. Once you clamp it, ooh, it's so tight. Okay, so tight. Let's try this one. Oh, there, like that. Okay, and then to put it back, use the same thing. You rain it up, you push it, and then you press it to release it, and it's in place. Okay, and then don't forget to put it back right there in its parts. Now to put the cover back, just line up the tabs, press it, and it's just easy press and lock in place. So far we've seen 2 fuse box inside the engine compartment. I'll show you the next fuse box and we are done for here. But so if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button as we move to the next one. Thank you guys for your support. So the next fuse is going to be on the passenger side. You know, come here and get in the front passenger side, and then right here underneath here there is this cover right here that we need to remove, and in here there is small tabs that we need to press and to release the clips. So let me show you by this one right here.
Oh, tough to see. But inside here, there is that clip that you need to press to release this whole panel underneath here. Okay, so I'm not gonna do that.
So I went ahead and released the panel, but let me show you now that it's here. These are the clips I'm talking about. There is clip 1, there is 2 and 3 and 4. So it got 4 clips that you need to release, and this is how they look like. Once you place it like that, it's going to release to unlock. Once you have that down, then right here on the edge right here, that's where our fuse is going to be, our fuse box. And we are looking at this cover right here. This cover, just need to grab it from the right here, and once you pop it out, you find the next fuse set right there. Okay, and then on the back of the cover, this is where you find the fuse diagram. It's upside down, all the fuse information. All right, now we're gonna put this cover back in place. Okay, to put it in place, you need to start all the way from the edge. You hook it up, then push it right here like that, and it's going to click in place just like that. And then for this one, for this panel right here, we need to, first of all, we need to line up these tabs, 2 of them, this and this. We line up from on the back, and let me show you the provision for that. So provisions are 1 right here, as you can see, and the other one is right here, as you can see. So once you hook up those two tabs like that, and then the front ones right here is just push and click in place. Okay, and the cover is back in place. That's how you do it. And those are the 3 fuse box location on this 2026 Toyota Tacoma, the TRD Off-Road iForce Max. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. Also make sure you hit that subscribe button. By doing that, guys, I will really appreciate. Thank you. See you guys on the next video.